Guys, what's up? I'm so excited, so pumped. I just got in the mail the Keychron V8 in the Alice layout. I am so excited to open this up and show you guys exactly what this keyboard is like. Let's go ahead and jump into this awesome keyboard. Look at this, so beautiful. So excited to unpack more of this unboxing of the Keychron V8.
Please like and subscribe to the channel.
All right, let's go ahead and open this baby up. The quick start guide here. Guidebook, and there it is, all of its beautiful glory. The Keychron V8. Good sound to it. I love kind of translucent look here. Very impressed. You've got the different switches here for Windows keycaps. And you've also got the charging cable, and it looks like keycap puller and screwdriver for doing any kind of modifications. You got a keycap puller in there as well. Very impressed here. I'm going to be doing a dive into the Keychron V8. Very impressed so far with just the unboxing. So after doing the unboxing, spent a few days using it and just have been super impressed with everything here. You know, this is a 65% layout keyboard. Very cool dual compatibility with macOS and also Windows. There's a switch on the back side of the keyboard that you can toggle back and forth. The firmware to program the different key presses and everything, so you have a lot of options to customize it. The keyboard is hot swappable, so if you want to swap out the switches, you can do that. I went with the brown switches here in this Keychron V8, so stay tuned for the sound test to hear the different variations there. I'm a huge fan of switches there, so I may swap the browns out for that. Browns and the purple switches from Akko are actually pretty similar. There is sound absorbing foam inside of the Keychron V8, and there's a lot of awesome light effects that you can do. And the keyboard also has this knob over here to adjust the volume. You can actually press it to go mute. So there's a lot of really cool things here that you can do with the Keychron V8. I'm a huge fan of the Alice layout. I did not expect the big change that I felt with putting my hands there on the keyboard. It just feels, yeah, really unique, very different experience than like the linear kind of style keyboards here. I'm a huge fan of Keychron keyboards, K3, the K7 up here, actually here on the shelf. I've been testing them out, but this is by far my most favorite Keychron keyboard. Get with me everywhere for working at coffee shops, my iPad Pro as well. Very, very impressed. Different sizes here you have with the feet to adjust that as well, but I've been very impressed with it. The light effects that you can get are really, really cool. I went with kind of the translucent case here instead of the total black case, which actually I really like because I can kind of see on the inside of it. Overall, I'd have to say 2 thumbs up, the Keychron team and everything that they've done. Let's go ahead and do a quick sound test so you can hear and experience the awesome audio experience that you can get from the Keychron V8 with these brown switches. And there you have it. That's a quick unboxing and a review of the Keychron V8. Very new from the Keychron folks, so just very excited, really pumped about using this keyboard. If you're looking for an Alice layout keyboard, this kind of layout, I highly recommend checking out the Keychron V8. It's one of the best keyboards that I've purchased from Keychron so far, and it's pretty affordable, about $100 and maybe less than that, depending on, which the bare bones version, or if you get the keycaps and the switches added in. If you have any questions, different experiences with the Keychron V8, please drop them in the comment section down below. And please remember to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos. I'm going to be releasing a lot more videos here soon, so you want to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to not miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you guys for tuning in. Remember to keep moving forward. Catch you next time. Bye-bye.